So this could be cool, or this could be
a fail.
like
a disaster.
Happy Valentine's to my favorite pipe layer.
Did you say Valentine's? No, I thought you said the word.
I probably did.
Oh. Valentine's.
No, I say everything wrong.
Meet Blair and Shannon, siblings and co-owners of Local Stature. Join them as they navigate the ups and downs of running a laser engraving business together. From creative projects with their laser machines to behind-the-scenes challenges. They're here to share it all. Don't forget to subscribe and follow along on their journey.
What you want to work on today?
So the wife, so Stephanie asked, she asked if I had any ideas for Valentine's gifts that she could maybe pitch to her staff if anybody was interested. Because people are always asking what we're doing, what we're making, if we got anything new. Mm-hmm. And I said, I hadn't thought about that, but now she mentioned it, let's come up with something. Because it's right around the corner. So
I know it is.
So I came up with a couple ideas. But there's so much out there. What do you really want to do? Did you come up with anything?
I want to test out engraving on some candy, and we might as well do it on Valentine's candy. Since that's stuff that has sayings on it. I don't know. I think that would be neat, and I want to see if it's
on food.
On food. Mm-hmm. I've seen people engrave like the tops of pies and stuff at Thanksgiving.
I have never seen that.
You haven't? You haven't seen the apple pie crust?
Why would I look for somebody?
I didn't look for it. It just found it. I mean, it found me. Okay. But anyways, I really want to try it on some Valentine's stuff because just to see.
Cool.
To see how it goes. I mean, it might not work out at all.
Is it? I mean, did you watch the videos of?
Not really.
No.
No.
So we have
I saw like half a video, like half a few seconds about So we're going in blind.
So this could be cool, or this could be
a fail.
Like a
disaster.
Like catch on. Well, it'll probably just melt.
It probably would just melt. So we'll make sure that we don't make too much of a mess of the machine.
Yeah. How do you want to keep
I'm thinking
from
I was thinking maybe
messing?
like a damp paper towel, like a couple layers of a damp paper towel on the bed.
Okay.
Just so we don't accidentally catch it on fire, and so that it doesn't get so I was thinking like these little things, you can engrave something on the top. You might not be able to, but I want to test.
I will still eat those.
Good, because I won't.
Yeah.
And then these little suckers, because they're plain and flat. Okay. And then the Reese's Hearts are plain and flat. Okay. And then this might be a little challenge, but I wanted to
on an M&M.
Yeah, to see about engraving on like an M&M.
Okay.
It might not work.
Did they do it on a CO2 or a fiber, a diamond?
I would say probably a CO2, but I was thinking fiber on this one. I would think CO2 for these, fiber maybe for these, for the harder stuff. The softer stuff maybe the CO2, but I don't know. I'll have to test it out. I'm just kind of,
I'm going the polar opposite. I chose metal.
Oh,
yeah. We can do a ton of stuff in wood. Everybody knows the woods. And there's 1,000 designs. You just got to pick something to make a design yours to make it different. But I chose the little magnetic cups. You can get these at like your little local Harbor Freight or tool store. Yeah. And then a pipe because it's metal and it's got a little flat spot right here that we could probably engrave something on right there. So that's what I want to try.
I like it.
All right, cool.
All right, let's do it. My only thought about like any of the soft stuff is like it pressing for autofocus.
Oh, that's...
Yeah.
So maybe we can find a block of wood that's close?
Yeah.
So you want to open these up?
Yeah.
Can I just go for it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So maybe if we got... That's about that's like a 1x4 maybe? A little 1x4 somewhere?
They're not as smooth on the top as the front.
Done.
Oh well, it'll be fine.
That's about close to it.
Okay.
Put that's almost done.
Perfect. Yeah.
Perfect. Awesome. So guesstimation on.
We're gonna have to lower the bed.
That's fine.
Okay. On settings?
Yeah.
Well, we might need that. I'm just testing it out.
Yeah, I mean, it's just...
It's just to test it out after we do it.
Okay.
Of the failed ones. We can still use that one, though.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's try. Ooh, I got going. Do we want to actually like engrave or do just like a score line?
Just do a heart.
No.
It's Valentine's.
Oh, just try it out with a heart.
Just do a heart.
Now you say
And if
that.
you mess it up, I'll eat it. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm scared.
I'm curious to see what this does.
Okay.
It's there.
It's there.
Holy crap! It did.
You didn't think it would, huh?
Well, I mean, I thought it was just going to blast through it. That's actually a good setting.
Yeah, like kind of like the outline that I put on it. All right, let me try it with the words to see how that does.
All right, we'll put that in the middle.
Okay. That's so funny. I don't know why I love it, but I do.
So I wish we had like white chocolate to see if it actually turned to color.
Oh yeah, it'd be a little charred.
Maybe. That's hysterical.
That is hysterical. I mean, it's not perfect, but I mean,
You have to do pretty big letters to see it.
yeah, I needed to make it bigger, but
All right, are you brave enough to engrave?
that's what I don't think engraving's gonna. Let's try it.
I would lower the setting and speed it up.
Can you lower it lower than 10?
Is it? Oh, is it at 10?
It's at 10. So it'd
Yeah,
have to be the
130?
speed.
Try 200.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I'll turn it.
Oh, that's surprisingly. I mean, that's not bad. I feel like when the light hits it, it looks better, but then it's just looking straight on at it.
Slow it down.
Okay, like 180,
What do you have it at?
200.
What was the original setting on for this one? For the
It
Line.
is 130, 10.
113. So split the difference. It's just say 165.
Okay.
I'm just curious.
Okay.
And then we'll just get right over top of the heart.
Okay.
I'm just curious. Because that was like so lightly engraved, and I get the melting part. Oh, that actually. Which do you think looks better?
Let me see what it looks like straight on. Straight on, I like the first one.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's actually cool.
I know.
Because you could do like design, I mean, yeah, you could do quick sayings.
Yeah.
So I want to see what it looks like on white icing, because you could do cupcakes, you could do.
I don't know about the icing. It's gotta be like more solid. I mean, I guess you could even on what is it? Fondue, not fondue, fondate, fondate. What is it? How they make the cakes and they can use shapes and stuff, and you can eat it, but it's very like structured. I don't know.
It's not fondue though.
No, it's like fondate or something. Go. Oh, nice.
That is crazy.
Oh, I needed to go bigger.
Yeah, you gotta have bigger letters to be able to see it better.
Yeah. It's too many words.
Too many words. Alright, so Reese's, what are these, footballs or
It's just a heart.
heart? Okay.
Yeah.
Was it shiny? That would work. Turn a little bit.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, just go. Oh.
Yeah.
Cross. You can see it. Don't.
Oh.
Why would you do that? You have to let it dry.
Let's try that one.
Oh my god. Just spit on it.
That's good.
Yeah.
So,
So we're going to test out engraving on the suckers now with the fiber laser.
so you don't want to do the M&Ms?
We could try them.
Super small. Yeah, you got dark everything. I wouldn't suit to doing light stuff.
You try searching for candy. See what you can find.
Just trying to say.
Everything already had in stuff engraved.
Oh yeah, all the light stuff.
or
no
stuff already said. I mean, at least what I could find.
Yeah.
Nothing's happening.
Are you sure?
I mean, do you see anything happening? Look at it one time.
I can barely see the light on it.
I think we need to abandon the candy and go for your metal thing. But we also still need to remember how to use this. But that way we can see. But
I tried to burn wood on it one time and I would just crank up the power and it wouldn't do any markings. So I don't know if it's like a material issue. Like we're used to going through metal, but when you start putting stuff that's different, it just reacts differently. So like I said, I couldn't get it to do anything on wood, no matter how much I like raised it up and changed all the numbers. So this is kind of.
But have you tested metal on it again since then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's take. This was like $3 or $4. This would be a cool little gift for a hubby.
Did you do this on AI?
Of course.
Because the R has like 3 legs. That's what made me realize it.
That's funny. Does say forever. So that's the thing about AI. AI is awesome at helping you create images, but if you put any type of saying in there, it doesn't understand, I guess, like proper, or just how words are put together. And so the words aren't actually words, they're just, it's just another object. And so it kind of tries to incorporate, so it misspells stuff all the time. So you kind of have to, oh, that looks awesome. Done. That's a great idea right there.
It heated up the...
That's okay. That actually says it really good on that chrome too. But yeah, Foab was funny. Oh, now it disappears. I can't see squat. That's right, you ready?
It's there, yeah. Oh, so you can't see it with those on?
No, you ready?
Hit run continuously, and then that way you stop it whenever you want to. Can you see it?
Not yet. It's getting there.
It's darkening.
Yeah.
What? What? What's wrong?
I just think it's funny.
Oh.
Happy Valentine's to my favorite pipe layer.
Did you say Valentine's? No, I thought you said the word.
I probably did.
Oh. Valentine's.
No, I say everything wrong. That's 2 cool ideas right there. I would take these. I'm going to take these for my Valentine's Day.
There you go. Give them to yourself.
Give them to myself. That's cool. And that's like super cheap.
Yeah. Sucker, no go.
Fail.
That's fine. I'm sure it could be. I don't care to do it though. I don't care to keep messing with it. All right. Do we need to do anything to end the video?